guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. Today guys is none other than the number 52. As you can see here. Very cool. Well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building the dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 52. If you would like to see the previous 51, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, this is the dollhouse, how it will look once it's completed. And of course guys, this collection is from none other than Editorial Salvat. Let's open this up. And here it talks about the ironing and the sewing room. Let's continue on. And here you can see all the fabric scraps, things that are being repaired, more fabric scraps, this coat that's being repaired, the iron back there with an ironing table. And here it gives the full list of all of the items in the sewing/ironing room. That's really cool. The old style sewing machines. And here guys, it walks you through how to put this triangle piece, but it also teaches you how to make little meringue cookies, which is really cool. It tells you all of the tools that you'll need. Here it tells you how to put that triangular wooden piece for the roof. And then as you turn the page, it walks you through how to make those little meringue cookies. And guys, don't worry, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects. So make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And here guys are the finished meringue cookies. They look really good. And well, let's continue on. And here it talks about irons, like to iron out clothes and things. See, here's two different styles, like a bigger one and like a smaller one. And the thing is that they would like heat a fire underneath to get this hot. It was a bit different than the ones that we use today. This is like a copper one, which is a bit different. I've only ever seen iron ones, like the big black ones. That's cool. And here it talks about the advances of medicine during the Victorian age. Here's a drawing of a hospital. In 1890. That's pretty cool. Some old medicine bottles. And well guys, that's the end of that. There you just see the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is of course, as I said before, from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company guys that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And well guys, with that being said, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. Alright guys, now it's time to open our brand new bathtub. So let's go ahead and let's start that now. Alright guys, so we have the bathtub out of the box and now it's time for an up close look at it. Let's just pick it up. First off guys, it's made out of porcelain, which is very cool, and on the legs here, there we have it in focus. You can see that we have like little gold specks on the legs. You can see it there. And there. and on that one too. And when you go up to the top of the tub, you can see this gold faucet. It's very nice. And you have these two, let me see if I can grab them. These two different plugs. This one is to block like hair and stuff. You can see the little holes there. And then this one is more like to fill the bathtub. And then of course you have the cold and the hot tap there. And what's neat is there you can see the little drain, which is pretty cool. Tell me guys, what do you think about our brand new bathtub? I really like it. Tell me what you think down below. I really think it's cool. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Costa's Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.